Hey y'all, so I have a confession to make. My hair is kind of dirty, kind of unruly, unacceptable, ridiculous, however you want to say it. The reason it's like this is because, the end of the semester has been here. I haven't been making that many videos. Just school, trying to get my life together. It's another summer, so I'm always staying busy during the summer. I hate to be idle. So yeah, my face is starting to break out. Like, literally, my life is just in shambles. So today, we're gonna wash my hair, give it a little love and care. I bought the Shea Moisture anti-breakage mask today. Where's the title at? I bought this today. I have never used this one. I've used the 10-in-1 Renewal. I've used the Shea Butter one, the original one that everyone starts out with. But yeah, today we're gonna try this one and see how it goes. I'll be washing my hair with my trusted, tried and true Cream of Nature shampoo, and then I might use this Cantu co-wash. We'll see. I just use a hodgepodge. Whatever works for me at that time of the year is what I use. I don't have like a specific brand. Like, I only use Shea Moisture. I only use Cantu. So we'll see how the routine goes. Hopefully my hair will just get a little life. You see, I had to wrap it up because we couldn't go outside. Couldn't go outside looking like that. If y'all want to like kind of tutorial on this wrap, let me know in the comments below. Alright, and if y'all have ever, like, I feel like everybody's gone through this, but maybe it's just me, that like point in life where life is just too much and then you just gotta bring it back. So if y'all are going through anything, let me know in the comments below as well. I want to see what's going on in y'all's lives. But let's get started without further ado. So first, of course, I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections like I always do. If you wanna go watch my winter wash day routine, the link will be up there somewhere. But yeah, I've already wet my hair. I'm about to use my Cream of Nature shampoo and I'm just gonna work that through. Shampooed. As I said, it's ridiculous. It was ridiculously dirty. So I am gonna end up using this co-wash. There you go. And then we'll rinse that out and put my deep conditioner in there. We'll see how that goes. Alrighty then. Making some progress. So now my hair's not filthy, it's time to at least put some type of strength, some type of moisture back into it. Anyway, that's what this is for. So I'm probably gonna have to do a review on it since this is my first time ever using that deep conditioner. We'll see how it works like in the long run after the fact. So stay tuned. super thick, first of all. Super thick, which I prefer thick deep conditioners to like runny, thin deep conditioners. Just because I feel like it sticks to my hair better. I don't know if there's any science behind that at all, but yeah, that's why. So I appreciate the consistency. I'll be back. Alrighty, so finally done, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes later. And yeah, so now you gotta double bag it, okay? And what I mean is I'm gonna take a shower cap, then a bonnet, and then I put a scarf on top of it. But yeah. So we want to make sure we are locking in moisture. We don't want anything at all to escape. And and boom, we're gonna let it sit. I usually let mine sit for like 2 hours just because I don't put like, I don't have a, what do they call those things? I don't have like a heating cap or freaking hair dryer, a hair dryer like they do in the hair salon. So I just let it sit for 2 hours, let it marinate in there, and then I'll wash it out. All right, hopefully my atrocious hair is now well moisturized and prospering. So these are goals. We'll see how it turns out. Alrighty, so I'm back. It's actually been like 6 hours because I had to go to work, hence the hair wrap and everything like that. But underneath, we still have our double bagged. Ta-da! And so it's been marinating under here. I'm letting the, what is it, plantain, baobab oil, and all that stuff penetrate. It's definitely feels kind of softer, but we're gonna wait till we wash it out and see what we got. Okay, pause. I haven't even washed it out yet, but boy, whoo, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. All right, so yeah, we have some good results. It's soft, it's clean, it's not atrocious anymore. So great, so many great things, so many great things. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. I will be doing a full review on the anti-breakage hair mask from Shea Moisture, so stay tuned. Bye guys. Thanks for watching Beanie Jean, and always remember, you might as well smile.